What if I told you? Most people don't fail because they are not smart. They fail because they try too many things at once and quite too early. Welcome to working day 2 of my 365 working days challenge. Today was not about earning money. Today was about building foundations. And the foundations are boring, but they decide everything. This was my first official learning day, and honestly, it was harder than it looks. As you know, my mission is divided into three income streams. First is full stack web development, second is a tech focused YouTube channel, and third is affiliate marketing. So instead of doing everything randomly, I followed strict time limits for each phase because discipline builds freedom. Now let me show you what really happened. This first income stream is also subdivided into 5 phases. Phase 1 is front end. Today I learned the absolute basics of HTML like as heading, paragraphs, links, images. These are like the ABC of websites. And within these 30 minutes, I have created this simple web page. Was it beautiful? Not. Was it advanced? Absolutely not. But it was, and that's powerful because most people only watch tutorials. I built something, small progress, but real progress. Next, I moved to Python. I learned how to write a simple program, Hello World, in Python. I successfully installed Python in my PC, but here's the truth. I could not properly execute the program within the time limit. Yes, I failed today. But this is important. If you are scared to start because you might fail, look at this. Failure on day 2 is better than regret on day 200. Tomorrow, inshallah, I will fix it. Then I started building a weather app using a YouTube tutorial. I worked for 60 minutes, but I could not complete it. It needs one more hour. And here's the something that beginners don't understand. Building is slower than watching. Learning is slower than dreaming. But slow progress is still progress. Fourth phase of this first income stream is web design and freelancing. I learned the basics of web design. I created a Figma account, but I did not design anything yet. Why? Because the time limit ended. And this challenge is about respecting the system, even when your ego wants to do more. I learned the basics of Git and GitHub, but did not install Git yet. Again, the time limit. And this is the beauty of this journey. I am not rushing, I am building correctly. The second income stream is a tech YouTube channel. This income stream also has two phases. First is content creation skills. In content creation skills phase, today I studied fair use policy, community guidelines, spam policies, monetization rules, EDSA content types. Why? Because if you want to build on YouTube, you must understand the rules before playing the game. Most creators ignore this and later they lose their channel. I don't want shortcuts, I want sustainability. Second is editing skills. In editing skills phase, I studied audio basics using the Lexis audio editor. I learned audio trimming, adding effects, and noise reduction. Small skills but powerful in the long run because bad audio skills can destroy good videos. Third income stream is affiliate marketing, and this income stream also subdivided into two phases. First phase is affiliate skills. In this affiliate skills phase, today I learned what affiliate marketing is, how to choose a niche, how to pick programs, traffic sources, content creations, and scaling. Most people think that affiliate marketing is easy money. It is not. It is a system, and I am building the system from zero. Second phase is social media skills. In this social media skills phase, I studied YouTube growth, monetization policies, partner programs, how YouTube can support affiliate marketing. Because attention is the new currency, and if you don't learn how platforms work, you stay invisible. The real lesson today was not impressive. No income, no viral success, no big achievement, just learning, just small steps. But here's the truth most people don't understand. In 365 working days, small disciplined steps can beat random motivation. If you are 15, 20, 30, and even 40, and you feel behind in life, start small, start messy, start imperfect, but start. This is only working day 2, and the journey is just beginning. If you want to see whether I succeed or fail, whether I stay consistent or quiet, whether these 3 income streams really work, then subscribe. Because this is not motivation, this is documentation. And tomorrow we will fix the Python problem. See you on working day 3. Till that, take care.